How to find your plat. First, in your browser, type in your search box Cobb County Superior Court Clerk's Office. Next, select Record Search located under the bold Cobb County Superior Court Clerk link and a new page will appear. The new page is a record search. It gives three options: Search Court Records, Search Real Estate Records, and Search Real Estate Records, Archive. You want to select option 2, Search Real Estate Records. Disclaimer: if you cannot find your specific plat on Search Real Estate Records, you can search for it on Search Real Estate Records, Archive. For further explanation on how to find your plat on that platform, you can reference our previous video named How to Find Your Plat on Cobb County Water System YouTube. After you select Search Real Estate Records, a new page will appear again with several different options. From there you want to select Book and Page Search. A disclaimer will appear with conditions that need to be accepted by the user in order to move to the next step. You will either hit Accept or hit No. If you accept the conditions, you will be brought to Cobb County Official Record Search page. This page is automatically set on Book, Page Search, but you will want to select the Name search box. After you select on Name search box, you will be prompted with Party Type, Name, Book Type, Document Category, Begin Date, and End Date. In the Name box, type in your neighborhood. For our example, we will be using Vinings Estates. After you type in your prospective neighborhood, you will then proceed to click on Select Document Type. When you click on Select Document Type, a pop-up box labeled Document Types will appear over the initial page. You will see several different document types. However, you will scroll until you see Plat. Once you see Plat, click on the white box located on the left side, making sure it is checked blue. Then you will proceed to press Select. Once you have typed in your name and selected the document type, you may then select the blue Submit option. After you press Submit, a list of results will appear. You can organize these results by clicking on any of the sections labeled Status, Search Name, Grantor, Grantee, Filing Date Search, Doc Type, Book, Page, Cross-References, Comments, Land Lot, District, Section, Subdivision, Lot, Unit, Block, and Comment. Although there are several different ways to organize information and choose a plat, for general use purposes the most accurate and recommended way would be by clicking Filing Date Search and selecting the most recent entry. Once you have located the most recent entry, you can select, it will highlight the section blue, and from there you will proceed to click on your selection. After you select, a picture of your plat will appear to the right with a red print that says Unofficial Copy, and the document information to match will be on the left. Some plat documents are more than one page, so you will want to check page count at the top to confirm. Once you confirm this specific documentation has everything that is needed for your use, you can select View/Print for download and print options. Once you select View Print, you will be prompted with the options Single Page or All Pages. No matter your selection, a new window will open. On the far right of the screen, you will see two icons: a down-facing arrow, which is to download, and a small figure in the shape of a printer to print. If you wish to download, click on the downward-facing arrow. From there, a pop-up page will appear for you to decide where to store on your computer. Once you have decided, you may click Save and close your browser. If you wish to print, click on the small figure shaped like a printer. From there, a new page will appear for you to decide how and where you would like your plat documentation to print out. Once you have decided, you may click Print and close your browser. Thank you for watching.